In the landscape of cloud-based financial management software, Sage Intacct stands out as a robust and versatile solution favored by many organizations. Its capabilities in areas like accounting, financial reporting, and multi-entity management make it a powerful tool for businesses seeking to streamline their financial operations. This prominence often leads to questions about its underlying technology. One query that frequently arises is Sage Intacct built on Salesforce? The answer to this question is a clear no. Sage Intacct is not built on the Salesforce platform. It is a standalone cloud-based financial management system with its own independent architecture and technology stack. While both Sage Intacct and Salesforce are leading players in the cloud software space, they operate on distinct platforms designed for different primary purposes. To understand this distinction, it's helpful to consider the core functions of each platform. Salesforce is primarily a customer relationship management (CRM) platform. Its strength lies in managing customer interactions, sales processes, marketing campaigns, and customer service operations. It provides tools for tracking leads, managing accounts, automating sales workflows, and analyzing customer data. While Salesforce offers extensive customization and integration capabilities, its fundamental focus remains on the customer-facing aspects of a business. On the other hand, Sage Intacct is specifically designed for financial management. Its core functionalities revolve around general ledger accounting, accounts payable and receivable, budgeting and planning, financial consolidation, and reporting. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools for managing a company's financial health and ensuring compliance. While Sage Intacct can integrate with various CRM systems, including Salesforce, it operates as a separate, specialized financial platform. The confusion might stem from the fact that both Sage Intacct and Salesforce are prominent cloud-based platforms that often integrate with each other to provide a more holistic view of a business. Many organizations utilize Salesforce for managing their sales and customer interactions and then integrate it with Sage Intacct to seamlessly flow financial data, such as sales invoices and customer payment history, into their accounting system. This integration creates a unified view of customer and financial information, enhancing efficiency and providing valuable insights. Think of it like having two separate, highly specialized tools in your project management toolkit. You might have a powerful task management software for organizing tasks and deadlines and a separate communication platform for team collaboration. While these tools serve different primary purposes, they can be connected to work together more effectively, sharing information and streamlining workflows. Similarly, Salesforce and Sage Intacct are distinct platforms that can be integrated to create a more comprehensive business management ecosystem. Sage Intacct's architecture is built to handle the complexities and specific requirements of financial data. It employs a robust and secure infrastructure designed for financial accuracy, compliance, and scalability. Its data model is optimized for financial transactions, reporting, and audit trails. Building a financial system on a CRM platform like Salesforce would present significant challenges in terms of data structure, security protocols specific to financial data, and the core functionalities required for accounting and financial management. Furthermore, Sage Intacct has evolved over time, incorporating features and functionalities specifically tailored to the needs of finance professionals. Its reporting capabilities, for instance, are highly sophisticated, allowing for the creation of complex financial statements and customized reports. Its multi-entity management features are crucial for organizations with multiple subsidiaries or locations, enabling consolidated financial reporting and intercompany transactions. These are functionalities that are core to a financial management system but not the primary focus of a CRM platform like Salesforce. The integration between Sage Intacct and Salesforce is facilitated through application programming interfaces, APIs. APIs act as digital connectors, allowing different software systems to communicate and exchange data. This allows businesses to leverage the strengths of both platforms without them being built on the same underlying architecture. For example, when a sales opportunity closes in Salesforce, the relevant data can be automatically transferred to Sage Intacct to generate an invoice, eliminating manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors.